What up, Ben? Yo, what up, Caleb? What's going on, boys? Alright, we should be here. For the first time in this challenge, guys, our drawdown is more than $2,000. Right now we're sitting at $2,094. Yeah, we're so close to that payout. Going into today, obviously, just gonna look for my A plus takes, and we'll go from there. I know the payout's coming. I don't want to rush it, so if we take a trade today, cool. I'll get it tomorrow or something. If we don't get it today, cool. I'll get it at the end of the week. If not this week, I'll get it next week. It's okay. But we have a lot of news. Obviously, we have a 8 p.m. news tonight. That is something to watch out for because, going towards like the PM session and all that, the market is just going to anticipate the 8 p.m. news from Trump. But for right now, we had an 8:30 a.m. Orange folder. We already got done. Marked on my previous day high, previous day low. We're not in any 4-hour gap right now. We are trading right under a 1-hour gap right up here that, I will know. And we're just kind of in the middle. So, we got the four scenarios, obviously, that I look for. Would want us to either, break above these highs and have like a little sweep to the downside, catch some shorts, take away these lows, go towards the highs, catch some longs, or continuation towards both sides. We have levels, so we should be fine, but all I'm asking for is just good price action and we should be fine. But I took too many micro scalps to reduce my balance yesterday, so now I need 9 trades of 10 plus seconds. Oh, yeah. Damn. I forgot about the 10 plus second rule. Go. What up, Legacy? Sweep of session lows would be so amazing for longs. Yes, sir. What's good, bro? What up, Phantom? Will last night war news crush the market when it opens? No, it's all priced in already because the futures market has been opened. So anything that came out last night has already affected the market already. It's not like the stock market where, we only open at 9:30. We've been open since 6 p.m. last night, and any news that comes out, we see the effect right there and then. So we don't have to worry about that. Yo, are all your trades 1 RR? I'd like to have 1 RR. I do 1-to-1s. What up, Elliot? Any Trump news? Nothing that I see on Forex, but I'm sure he's tweeting somewhere out there right now. But regardless, how do you make enough for payouts? You just do it long enough. I've been on these accounts since March 11th, and I have 5 accounts, so I get a payout of $10,000. Don't really need a lot from the market, honestly. I mean, I'm sure anybody would trade one-on-ones. I mean, not one-on-ones, one-to-ones if they can get a 10K payout, right? But other than that, I'm going on Tradify TV this evening at 12:30. I'll be there, just by myself. Like on a 50K account, how much would you make before going for a payout? Depends on the accounts that I'm trading. These are 50K Lightning funded accounts from Tradify. They have a 20% consistency rule, so that keeps me in check that I can't make more than 650 in one day. If I do, I'm just gonna have to make even more to get payout balance. So right now, my balance is 52,193. I need to get this to 53,252, and I'll be just under 20% for me to request my payout. And I'll take out $2,000. So I'm not gonna have a lot of drawdown, but the whole challenge is I was doing this whole challenge just for us to get a payout. So, I'm always going to try to save the accounts. I brought these accounts back from only having $200 of drawdown left to all the way now we're in 2094. So, nice little swing that we've had in the past. We didn't start this challenge really hot. The second day of this challenge, we hit daily loss limit, and that was a big hit for us. So, really could have just gave up and been like, yeah, let's just restart. But had $200 left. I'm like, okay, I got one last trade. Hit a banger. Hit a couple bangers right after. Obviously took some losses too, but in the end, we're here. Yo, Zaim, I like how your channel right now is so niche. You're a go-to trader. Hey, I want to stay niche as possible, bro. I don't want to go mainstream right now. Hey, we got 30 people in here. What's up, y'all? I'm seeing newer faces newer channels every day on these streams, and that's all that I can ask for, man. I love to see everybody, get together, talk a little trading, have a little fun. You guys can't see, I got a piano now. I like a keyboard. I need to learn how to play that thing. That's what I just bought that last night. Or not last night. I bought it like last week, but it just came in last night. I suck. So don't ask me to play anything right now. Your channel is like a private beach. Yeah, bro. I realized that playing the jazz songs makes me calm while I'm trading. So I'm sure, I hope it does the same for you guys. I like how niche you are because you're interactive with the viewers. Of course, bro. I have my chat pulled up and I'm gonna read every single comment. So if y'all have any questions about my strategy, anything about the accounts, anything about me, let me know. Because I don't want to just sit here and just talk about trading too, We can have some fun. Yo, there's news at 10 because I want to stop in place to see if we catch something. There is no news at 10. There's a lot of yellow folders, but nothing like high impact. But you always gotta know Trump is speaking somewhere. I don't know. He's probably tweeting somewhere. So at this point, you don't even know. I'm trying to get into instruments, but I've been asked. I feel like it's like anything in life. You just have to go for it. Obviously, right now, I can't get a grip on what I'm doing on the keyboard. But the only way I'm going to get better is by, playing it. So I'm going to dedicate at least like 1 to 2 hours of a day in my life and see how good I could be. Or if I'm just going to have to resell that thing. But hopefully we don't have to. I've always been around keyboards in my life. Just never learned how to play them. Like my brother has a guitar. There's a big keyboard at my house, where my parents are. Just never really understood how to play it. But we are going to learn. Should you pass evals as fast as possible? It depends where you're at with your trading journey. Okay, if you're just starting out, if you're brand new, like you're 2-3 months deep into trading, no, I wouldn't want you to pass your account as fast as possible. You need to get those repetitions in. You need to learn how to actually trade your strategy and stuff. But if you're someone like me, I've been doing this for 6 years. I'm not trying to stay on an eval. So I have 2 routes. One is I take higher, like A+ setups, but I just size higher. I'm not taking dumb trades. I'm just going to size more on an A+ setup. Or I could just get a Lightning funded account where I don't have an eval. Which is what I'm trading right now. Didn't have an eval for these accounts. I just got them and they're fully funded. Day one. Love them. But yeah, market open. We had a little move to the upside. Came right back down. We're still indecisive. I want to see price pick a direction. And once we do, we'll look for our entry model, take a trade, hopefully be done really, really quickly. Call it a day. I need 1,500 more on this top step eval, so let's get it today. Oh, yeah. If price is moving good, if our bias is right, bro, we'll get that. Can't be an eval Joe if you buy LF. Yeah, exactly. You cannot be in an eval Joe if you just buy a Lightning funded account. They are more expensive, don't get me wrong, but it's so you can, don't have to spend your time on an eval. How do you put that yellow line? I want to use this. Code Zaim. Yes, sir. Code Zaim. So, rectangle, you get it. You draw it out, right? In the settings of the rectangle right here, all you have to do is go to style and the middle line. You just check it. So now every time I draw a rectangle, it's going to have a middle line in it. Now I need a pop-up market. I need us to take out these lows first and then form some sort of buy structure to the upside, and we'll be fine. We're also right here. This is a 15-minute gap that I marked out. I want to see us respect it, obviously. Sweep of lows, respect of this gap. Some inversions to the upside. It's perfect, literally perfect. But we can't get ahead of ourselves. Only thing is to execute as best as our capabilities today, and the money will follow. Simple. Still in the middle, doing nothing, as always. Good morning. What up, General Gold Channel? It's my first time seeing you, man. How'd you find out about me? Oh yeah, I want to know. How'd y'all find out about me? Is it Instagram, YouTube Shorts? I'm on TikTok, Twitter. Those are like the socials I post the most. Also Discord. I have a free Discord, so. Through TikTok, deep web, okay. From Huddy, we met at the U Tampa basketball court. Yo, I need to go back hooping again. Steph and Tells. I just haven't been here in like 3 weeks. Okay. It's just funny when I pop off and get payouts trying to come to Miami and link. I'm in Miami not like almost, I'll say every other month, bro. I go there a lot, actually. I obviously don't stay there, but I'm in Tampa. Yo, what up, Javier? Good morning, bro. Bro, I need to tell Steph we gotta go golfing again. Last time I went, I didn't play that bad, honestly. I'm getting better. You want a long today? I would prefer us longing if you take out these sweeps, take out these London lows, respect this IFEG or this fair value. You have this 15-minute. We already respected it once, twice, tapped into it like 3 times already, respected it every single time. If you can see a sweep and a respect, 1-minute inversion model to the upside, I'll take it. But, right now we don't really have a direction in the market, so obviously I'm not taking a trade right now. I'm just waiting. But whenever I do see price, we will take a trade. You shoot over or under 100 when you went golfing? I shot 87 last time I went. Or 89. I think 89. Just under, obviously. Broke 90. But, bro, it's still like... golf is hard, man. Golf is hard. At least now, like, I'm understanding, like, okay, before when I used to go up to the ball, I would just literally go, I'll just hit it, and it will just go anywhere but the place that I want it to go. Now I'm understanding the mechanics behind it, and, it's actually fun being able to actually hit the ball and watch it go wherever you intend it to be. And the one thing that like keeps on getting me to keep on playing golf is because I'm so bad at it. I want to get good at it so bad. If I was already good at it, I'd be like, whatever. But I don't think anyone's born good at golf, bro. I don't know all the states. I'm from the UK, bro. I want to go to Europe so bad. Miami's too much. I went last month. Tampa more chill, but to each its own. I'll never move out of Tampa. Tampa's goated. Miami isn't real. The style of life there is crazy. Yeah, Miami is crazy. The courses in Tampa suck compared to Orlando. I used to be, well, I mean, I lived in the Orlando area most of my life, so I went to like the Disney courses once. Those are really nice. What up, Jonathan? Bro, made a bag. Did you make a bag yet? No, bro. It's 10 minutes in. I didn't. I didn't take anything. Did you make a bag? That's how I started. Yeah. I used to play in high school. It's a game you can never perfect. Yeah. Europe is alright right now. Nothing too great. Okay. Okay. All the people that are from UK or Europe. If there's one country that you would want to visit for the first time, which one would it be and why? I want to go to Europe, but there's so many countries I want to go to. Can't really decide what I want to go see. I love traveling. I haven't traveled in months, so the next trip I take, it's gonna be a very long trip. 1.072K. Not sure if I'm done yet, but I'm happy with my profits. Bro, one and done. Call it a day. You're up $1,000. Come on. Don't make me mad, Jonathan. I'll say go to Netherlands. Italy seems overall best. It's Europe. You have to country hop if you go. That's what I plan on doing. Going to Greece in June. Amsterdam, Maldives. I've been to Italy since I was born there, and France is overrated. Come to Shesha. Wait, I don't know if I said that right. Austria, Greece, or Malta or Netherlands. Yo, Zah, how should I size? I need 1,500 more. Are you on a 50K account, Caleb? Okay, yeah. Let's do country hopping. Okay, what countries are so close by that I should, let's say I want to go to 3 countries in the Europe. Where would I go? Where would you guys go? Just trying to see. Yeah, 50K account. Okay, so I'll honestly, I've been trading 5 micros for the entirety of this challenge, and it's been so easy on my mental. I would always recommend go with micros. Heard Malta is fire. They're all close by. Swiss, Portugal, Spain, France. Go to Switzerland. Austria, Germany, France, Greece, Italy, Switzerland, France. I live in Europe. My recommendation: Italy, Greece, and Swiss. Dude, I'm hearing a lot of Switzerland. I'm hearing a lot of Switzerland. Is it like too cold there though right now? No. Wait, no, it's about to be summer. I think I'll be fine. There. I can't go to a country where it gets too cold. I've always lived in like warmer climates. I'm from Pakistan, right? It's already hot there. I lived in California. It's already hot there. And now I'm in Florida. Okay. You gotta limit these countries. I started typing and realized I was typing them all. I'm planning to go to Malta. Yeah, I trade micros anyways, but sometimes running the 1-on-1 sucks with high risk. You can always just have a smaller stop loss, just so you can be a little, conservative. Yo, what's with the UK banning Kanye? I thought like everybody thought that he couldn't like do shows anymore, and then he just sold out the whole stadium the last time that was. We need platinum Amex. I have the gold card. We almost have 40 people. First time I came, we were at 8. I'm telling you, consistency in everything in life. If you're consistent at something, people are like gonna love you for it, and people are gonna show up. You lived in Pakistan? Yeah, I'm from Pakistan, bro. Bro, imagine if I had 5 funders right now, I would have been back at 50K. I'm telling you, bro, it's nothing changes. It's just scalability. I cannot hear an accent at all. I moved here when I was 8, so I don't have an accent. But let's say I do go back for like, a trip or something, I'll come back with one for sure. I'm almost at 10K with this one funded account. Hell yeah, bro. That makes me so happy. Actually, I love that you're back trading and stuff, I just hope you actually make smarter decisions this time. Come to Canada. I've been to Toronto. Yeah, I went to Toronto last year. Wait, damn, it's been a long time, bro. I gotta take more trips, y'all. Toronto was fun. I went there with my family. I went to Niagara Falls. Yeah, it was fire. I promise I will. Hey, goes to show you, try to get moved to that live account, bro. That's the goal. All right. Well, I'm gonna have a limit on these London lows, so whenever they do get hit, it'll let me know on both ES and NQ. I have to do the Wordle because yesterday I didn't get to do it because we were done so fast. Well, I did do it, but not on stream. Ending with ease. Okay, I know this one, it's not gonna have an A, but there's okay. Well, that's just okay. All right. Well, there's a D. There's a E. Is it Drake? Did anyone do the Wordle yet for today? I need some help. Okay, we are dumping. All right, let's see what we do around these lows and this gap. I missed shorts, but we'll be fine. It's only been in the market for like 16 minutes. We're fine. You should get connections today. I did. Yeah, locked out Z. Good stuff. I'll be breaking right now. Hit full 101. 1.1.5 RR. I'm happy with 1K today. Yeah, man. Whatever you can get from the market, you take it and you run. Okay, the market doesn't owe us anything. So if I take a trade and I win, I'm calling it. If I take a loss, I'm going to see if there's another A+ setup. If not, I'm calling it. Today I was going to look for demo trades only because there's SMTs on both sides. So low probability for my setup, to be honest. Yeah, yesterday's setup wasn't picture perfect for me because we never took out any lows before I took longs. But ended up targeting the highs and we took it out. So now I got to emo Top Step again to see if they're going to give me my funded accounts. Yeah, like I said, bro, good luck on that. Yo, hold on. By the way, we are at 40 people. That is, I think, the most I've ever had on a YouTube stream. I appreciate every single one of y'all, bro. How come you didn't take the first short inversion? I always wait for a confirmation. So my confirmations come from obviously a sweep of some sort of liquidity. Never really took anything out, so I'm still just waiting. Plus, I want to give time for the market to breathe, first of all. So if you take out these lows, form some sort of like buy structure. I'll take some longs, target 65 points, be done for the day. I remember on Friday I went on TikTok and everyone was like, "Who's the dumbass who took shorts?" When I took shorts. I think on Thursday I took shorts too. If that's what you're talking about. Thursday, yeah, I got burnt on Thursday. Let's see if you take out these lows. Target have a Wi-Fi? Target does have Wi-Fi, I believe. I think they do. Well, straight up getting called donkey. But did you not see my video? It did really good, actually. I literally made myself a donkey. Look. Say what you want. I'm gonna get my views in. It has like, I'm at 48K on that video. It's so stupid, but let's see if you take out these lows, guys. Area of interest for me. Every trader had this problem too, so I'm not the only one. Well, if you're trading on Tradify, you wouldn't have a problem. I need us to do something. I drove back to GA for Easter, so I need gas money. Ben, I feel so bad for you, bro. Gas right now is... I stopped driving, bro. I don't drive anymore because gas is so expensive. This guy, get out of here. Done for the day, 42 points. Let's go, Lewis. What'd you take, bro? You took some shorts? Off this inversion right up here, I'm guessing. Yeah, my entire feed is just you and I follow 1,400 people. You're pumping reels. I try to get out as much as possible, bro. Huddy has been motivating me to do 10 videos a day. There's been days where, like yesterday, like I only got to post 7 because I was busy all day. But you know, today there should be no excuses. 10 videos going out tonight, boys. Yeah, enter a little bit lower, but yes, hell yeah. W trade, full TP and everything. Fire. Let's go. Took Asia shorts, so just added to the profit. How much are you up on the day? Yeah, you can pay $2.84 if you have the 7-Eleven app and put some codes. Codes in for what? The 7-Eleven app? You mean to say my... Never mind. I'm not going to say it. Can we just take out these lows, please? Please, please, please. You know you want to say it? I don't know what you're talking about. No, on a real note though, guys, this challenge, man, this honestly has helped me so much based on my psychology and my trading as well. For the month of like November, December, leading up to this new year, I was trading a lot, and you know, this challenge is basically for me to like take a little chill pill and, you know, just take 1 to 2 trades and be back on my groove. And I've been loving it, honestly. Discount codes, oh shit, 870. Hell yeah, Lewis, on a Tuesday morning. That's fire. Yeah, I paid $2.70 for gas. 7-Eleven method in Tampa is $4.19. You don't need the app. You can just text the codes. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need that next time I go get some gas. It's okay to trade New York AM in Asia, right? Yeah. What you call it? Oh, what was I gonna say? Yeah, it doesn't overlap anything. Obviously, like you don't want to take too many trades in a day because the more you trade, the higher your probability goes up of you losing. You know, it's all probability at the end of the day. So I tend not to trade as, every session. I don't enjoy it. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with trading Asia and New York. I'll drop it in the Discord right now. Do it. I'll use it, bro. Appreciate that. We swept Asia lows and had a 1 minute inversion, but I know you wanted London to be swept. Yeah. But I mean, if he get a reaction to the upside, I could low-key look for a 1 minute gap, but in here there isn't anything right now, so nothing for me to take right now, honestly. Like, there's no gaps, there's nothing for me to take from here. So we're just gonna have to wait, unfortunately. If you follow your rules, then you are good. If I lost 400 in any session, I'm done. So when I trade Asia, I don't use full size most of the time. Yeah. But be careful. That's data wick news. That's liquidating fair value gap. Yeah. No, yeah. I'm gonna be super patient today. I can care less if I get a trade today or not. I just hope price is good. I mean, right now, I'm not a fan of it right now, but we're gonna sit here for a little bit more, and see. Did ES take out London? ES did not even take out London either. Is trading news on a funded allowed? It depends on what firm you're trading with. Every firm has different rules. I know if you want to trade with Tradeify, just get a growth account. No consistency on the eval. I use those to full port CPI. And with that saying, Friday is CPI. So if you guys want to pass your accounts, I don't recommend it, but it's really fast way to either blow your accounts or pass them. Want to see what will happen today night? Yeah. Today at 8 p.m., I'm going to be watching the news. And I don't really watch the news, but it seems like it's going to be really, really, impactful. I mean, it's going to go down, grab a little profit. I do, but I don't like to trade that way because, then it's going to put me in a spiral of, just trying to scalp for profits. I just sit here, wait for my A+ setup. If I get it, I take the trade. If there's no setup, I just don't take it. And it's been proven to me that setup is profitable. Why should I take anything else that, puts me in a bad, puts me at a disadvantage, If I take a payout before Friday, I'll get a growth in full port. Oh yeah. Nobody trading the night. I might. I don't know. Tonight is gonna be crazy, y'all. If we decide to, I don't want to say it, but go all in on this war with Iran because they don't want to step back and stuff, the market's going to tank. Everything's gonna get more and more expensive. Just nothing good. I mean, I'm from Europe and Asia open here. It's 2 a.m. my time. No sleep today because Trump. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can take out these lows. We do have this 1 minute gap that we just formed. Take out these lows, form another 1 minute gap that we can use as confirmation. I'll be able to take this as an entry. It looks something like this. But we first also have to take out these lows. This is probably the trade that I'm looking for. Nothing in right now, obviously. Still just waiting. That's crazy. I'm going to open TradingView and lock out my trade evade. Yeah. I don't recommend any of you guys trading tonight. The market is going to move a lot, but there's two sides of that. You can either make a lot of money really, really fast, or you can lose a lot of money really, really fast. And me, I like to be safe, so... Hey, but what are you guys doing at 12:30 though? Okay, we took out London. What are you guys doing at 12:30 p.m.? Y'all should go on Tradeify TV, support your boy. I'm gonna be up there by myself, so I don't really know what I'm gonna say because it's like it's not my platform, you know. So I can't really, just talk. I don't know. We'll just play it by the ear, honestly. How come my Tradeivate manually daily loss doesn't kick me off trading after I hit the number? It should. You might wanna look at the settings and see what they have. Candle's gonna start moving to the left tonight. Good luck. I got bills to pay. Me too. Me too. All right. Let's see what we do around this 15 minute. All right. Yes, just took out those lows as well. Now we're working with something. Now I can actually look for a setup. All depends on price though. Is there anything I can take for shorts? Holy, we have not been here in a very long time. Yeah, guys. This is crazy. There really isn't anything I can play to the short size. So I'm hoping we just, see a nice little pop up, or probably not gonna take anything. What's up with this gap though, by the way? Yo, yeah, what's up with this gap? Why is there just a random gap on my... Hold on, let me... Okay, there we go. It's better. Morning, Zion. What up, C, cousin? Will you be sharing it on your Insta or Discord? What would I... Sharing what? Are you aiming for longs? I do want some longs, but I don't think the market is going to give us any. We're just heavily bearish right now. And like past this level, past 979, then I can finally look for some shorts probably here, but I don't know, it might be too late for that. We will see. We will see. Not gonna lie, might be regretting not locking out these shorts to look prime. Yeah. You said you'll be taking somewhere at 12. Oh yeah, no. At 12:30 p.m. I'm gonna go on Tradeify TV. It's on YouTube. Just gonna have like a 1-hour stream. They asked me to go on it, so I'm like, why not? I'm not doing anything today. Talking, sorry. No, I know what you meant. But yeah, guys, if you just keep on dumping, honestly, I don't think there's gonna be an entry for me. I don't wanna, just didn't like shorts. We didn't really take anything out. We respected this gap, yeah, but that's it. And I don't want to hop in shorts now because I feel like the move's already happened unless we just keep on dumping today. What if today's just like a continuation day for the whole day? Keep on dumping, waiting for the news. Yo, what up, Adrian? It's been a long time, bro. What's up? Literally got into shorts and stopped out after the 1 minute close. Maybe it's where I put my stop loss, but it's always some shit. Do you put your stop loss based off like levels in the market, or how much you want to lose, like you're able to lose. I took short because we swept that 9 a.m. high and found a setup. Yeah, that's valid. Fire. Oh God, bro, we're just dumping. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any longs here, guys. I think we're just gonna keep on dumping. And where prices right now, there is no gaps for us to take anything off of. See if this 5-minute entry would have worked to the downside. Did we get the? No, we would never even got the arbitration. So, yeah, I was never meant to be in these shorts. It looks like. Yeah, I tried to go levels, but I low-key got a max out of like 150. Had a little more this morning. I can't lose much. Yeah, I was gonna say if you're going off like a mental stop loss, and you keep on getting stopped on, you're not going off the market, like price levels on the chart. You probably just have to size down so you can have a small stop loss, but at the same time take the same level as your stops. These war markets have been brutal, very strategic and technical trading needed. Yeah, I've been super patient because of the. Oh my God, we're just dumping. I know you have the mini ebook and the cord, but do you have a video on your method and explaining FEG, IFEG in the long form video? The first ever video on this channel that I have is a strategy video. It is a little outdated, I won't lie. There's another variation that I came out with like just taking 1 minute gaps. It's what I've been trading a lot and it's been working. But if I get enough people asking, I can make an updated version of the strategy video. We have two 15-minute gaps back to back to the downside. Let me see what the higher time frame. Okay, yeah. Trading aside is 4 hour. Are you talking about these gaps? Yeah, but I don't like how we already tapped into them. All right, bro. I'm gonna get off these charts before I start getting sad from these profits left on the table. Have a good day, bro. You too, Jonathan. On the bright side, bro, you're up $1,000. Take it. Shorts going to the basement. I think I'm gonna take the shorts. There's just no entry for me. So I wish there was some gaps here, bro. We would have shorted this, but nothing. These are the days where your patience really, really gets tested. Because more than likely, if we short the bottom of this candle, more than likely we can secure 28 points. Am I going to do that though? No, because I got to follow my rules. As I'm talking, watch. We're just going to hit this level. Well, it doesn't matter. Don't catch a falling knife. That too, exactly. A $500 on shorts. But it could have been 20K. Okay, but it could have been that you lost your accounts. You always got to look at the bad side too, man. Would you take a continuation short? I would, but there's no setups for me. I'm going to take out this 4 hour low right here. There's just nothing for me to play to the downside today. This gap right up here was, but we already took it out when market opened. So never retested the 15-minute for my entry. Probably done until later and have a look to see what's there. You making look bad? What? What does that mean? I told my chat that I bet you were dancing or doing the Wordle. I was, I have the Wordle pulled up. But I've been trying to catch some shorts, but there's nothing for me to take. But if he, dude, what am I getting? Fire, bang. Well, a lot of people caught these shorts. Not me though. That's okay. Dude, it's such a bad day outside. It's raining. It's nasty out there. That could have been another confluence for me. Since it's raining outside, we take some shorts. All right. Finally seeing some sort of buyers step in. Obviously, can't really take an entry towards longs here. I feel like it's too early. But if you do inverse this, then I think we're in business. I just got a bunch of snow. Dude, I can't imagine, waking up and seeing a bunch of snow that you have to get off your car. Like, that's terrible, bro. I paper traded it with my strap, but I took a win before for bed, so I didn't trade. Good following your rules, man. Hell yeah. What are the best golf courses in the area? I love visiting to play around. The nicest course I've ever been on in my short, golf career, was TPC Tampa Bay. That course is fire. The greens are so good, bro. What up, Hassan? This guy sucks at golf. I beat him every time. Okay, we could pull up the scorecards. We gotta go golfing again, though, bro. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. Especially because, I won, but it was a lot of fun. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here at like maybe 10:30, around there. I want to hit the range a few times before with Carlos. I know that'll be a good idea. It's never good to just, pull up and go straight to the course. It's you're never gonna be good at that. I've never been to the range. Bro, what? You gotta go to the range, bro. That's a non-negotiable for you now. Before you hit the course, you have to go to the range. Like that's non-negotiable, bro. It makes you play better. I feel like 80% of your Discord is Tampa. Gotta do a cord golf meetup, but I don't know how many people golf at a time or rules. I've only been to Top Golf. Dude, that would be fire. Imagine I tell everybody that's in Tampa to pull up to a golf course, you book a tee time. Nah, I can't do that, bro. That's so much pressure. Everyone's just gonna be watching me hit balls left and right, bro. Nah, I don't know. I'll be down. But how about we play some basketball? I wouldn't say I'm the best at basketball either. I fucking suck, but I'm way better at basketball than I am in golf. But golf is just so much fun. That's content. That is content. Title is I brought 100 Discord members to a golf course. Top Golf with the Discord would be fire. Southern Dunes is the best public course, but it's an hour up I-4. I haven't heard about it, but I'll definitely check it out. How much does golfing cost? If I had to rent clubs or and getting on the course, etc., or basketball would be fire too. Actually, okay. So golf. If you have to rent the clubs, you will have to get some golf balls. You're gonna have to have like a glove. The attire, obviously, you have to have a hat. A polo, some shorts. Some sneakers. But just golf itself, I'll say you're spending about like 100 to 130 maybe. Get your golf clubs and like a tee time in an okay course. Insane, yeah. Depends on which course and how many rounds you want to play. Yeah, if you want to just play the front nine, that's different. If you want to play the 18, that's more. No, you do not need a hat. I've never golfed with a hat. Okay, you can tell this guy's not a golfer. You can just tell this guy's not a golfer, man. He makes it so easy for me to rage bait him. You do need a hat, bro. Come on, it's etiquette. All right, finally seeing a move up. We have a 5 minute right here that we can take for an entry. Hopefully, I don't get burnt on these longs, but we'll see. Still just waiting for a candle closure above, retest, continuation of the CE. Let's see, we're probably going to target 65 points. Just right above London lows, previous London lows, and we should be fine. Have my stops probably bottom of this candle wick. Really low risk. I don't want to put on any risk for this trade because, I'm fading the trend. So if I do get stopped loss, $300, whatever. The hat gives you powers. It does. It really does. Come on. It already inverts the first gap. Yeah, the first I just use it for confirmation, honestly. Okay, I got a question for you guys. Let's say tomorrow, right? You get a $10,000 payout from trading. What are you gonna use that money on? Actual answers. I don't want to hear no BS. Like I genuinely want to see this. It tells you what type of a person you are as well. A $10,000 payout. What are you gonna do with it? Pay off my wife's student loans. Pay off debt. Down payment on a car. What car are you gonna get, Caleb? Vapes, bro. What are you doing? 5,000 to the parents, save the rest. Okay. Buy every prop from evals. Okay, bro's reinvesting. I will save it. I have nothing I want for 10K. Invest in other assets. Audi S4, fire car. Fix my Evo. Been a dream with trading. Okay. Now that I just asked you guys that, right? I want a Bugatti, can't afford it. That's why I save a lot now. Besides eating out a lot, yeah, I used to eat out a lot as well, but thankfully been cutting that down. School, okay. Now. If you just trade with your rules, if you just trade with discipline, I guarantee it. You're gonna get it. I guarantee it, bro. It might not be instant. It might take you a month, maybe 2 months. But all you need is just 5 accounts. That's it. That's all you need, guys. It's nothing. It seems so crazy to think about, but if you're just copy trading multiple accounts with props, you only need to make $4,000. You can take out half on most firms. 10K on accounts using code Zaim. That's a good investment right there. What up, Gabe? I just happen to cash the losers and have low risk on the winners is weird. We have to analyze that, bro. You have to go back in the lab and see, what's causing that. Is it your strategy? Is it psychology? Break it down and then go from there. Zaim, you ever think of trading on a personal live account or only prop firms? I used to have a live account with, options and all that. It's just so much at the same time. Like if I trade on a live account, I'm using it for swing trading because I don't want to actively be in and out of positions on props and on live account. 2 different platforms, too much of a headache for me. But definitely a fat live account you just use to swing trade, it's fire. This is going up. We got business. Yeah, I hope it does. All you need is 5 select accounts. I'm living proof. Tell him so. Yeah, bro. This guy Gabe took out 50 racks with 5 accounts in 1 month. If he can do it, why can't you do it? What's the difference between him and you? Nothing. He's just consistent. He just shows up every single day and does the same thing over and over again. Talking about it, we might get our entry right here. All right, 24-100. Oh, 100. Where are you? Okay, we never closed above it. Or did we? No, I'm not counting that as a closure. But we might be in business for some longs, guys. I'm not in anything yet, but I do like these longs. I just didn't like that closure, honestly. Still just waiting to see if you get a closure and a retest, and we'll get in. What did you do to improve your psychology? It's a long journey, honestly. You have to really, really figure out what's going wrong with your trading and take it one step at a time. If it's that you're over trading, you have to make a rule that, only lets you allow to, trade 1 to 2 trades and then manually lock yourself out. Whether it's like being held accountable, you got to talk to somebody every single day about trading, make sure they hold you accountable so you don't do dumb stuff. If you take a second trade, do you size up, Zaim? No, it's the same size or I size down. Let's see if you get a closure, man. All right, 30 seconds before we set these limits, and hopefully we get a retest. Yeah, I don't do anything dumb over trading foam. I just fail to execute live. Is it because you don't have confidence in your strategy? Is it like we have to get deeper into this, Like that's what I do for my students and stuff. They tell me what they're like, struggling with. I set my limits at 24-100, by the way. Hopefully you can get a little retest. If not, it is what it is. But yeah, no, that's what I do for my students. The first week is just me figuring out what they need help with, and then build them a plan, go from there. Everybody's different, so I can't just give the same plan to everybody else. It's tailored to them. What's the entry? 24-100. Not in yet though. They're about to be up 30 points without me. This would be my break even right here, but don't look. What did I just search up? I just searched up break even, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, we're back. All right, this would be my break even. Yo, look at this. I swear, I just want to add the text. There we go. Let's see if you get tagged in. What would you want to do if you ever stop trading? It's a really like good question. I like building stuff. Like, you know, I would definitely. It would still be something around trading. Probably use AI. Build me a software or something. I don't know. There's a lot. There's a lot that can, you can do with your time and stuff. 51 is my stop. Alright. I was just waiting for a retest. I have my limit set, and I think we're about to get filled, right? Come on, get me in. Alright, we just got in some longs. My TP's at 165. Let's see if we can get a nice little push up and hit some TP. If we do get stopped out, it's a 48-point stop loss. I'm risking about $480 to make $650. It's a little over 1-to-1. Liking this, recovery that we're having on ES and on NQ. If you look at the higher time frame, I want this 15-minute to close. This 30-minute. I wanted to, if we could close bullish on this 30-minute, we are good. But look at this. I really wanted us to take out this level. Didn't really take it out. So now we're just seeing if you can see a pop up. I got my break even right here. If we do hit it, we'll be about 14 points away from hitting TP, but we'll see. You record for the live. Okay. So if you do get stopped out, if I do hit TP, I have it on video. I just hope this is not like a long trade. Like, and yeah, I mean, we waited for our setup. We got our entry. Now all we can do is just wait. We can't do anything else on the chart. So hopefully we can come out with a dub. But if we don't, it's not the end of the world. I'm still up on the week. So we'll be fine. We need to see some buyers step in, though. That's for sure. We need some buyers, man. Where are y'all? There we go. There's a little pop up. Come on, NQ. Don't fake me out now. Just keep on going up. All right, put my alert at 127. Just so I could get off of my phone and look at the charts. But Did you do connections? I have not done connections. What's your position size? I'm in with 5 micros per trade. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to finish this Wordle. And by the time we come back, hopefully we hit TP. All right. Help me out here, guys. It has to have a D. The E is at the end. Paunch. Well, it has to have an E at the end. We're in profit. We're up like 5 points right now. Okay, I usually just use the unused letter for the first few. Okay, so already I haven't used any. I try to get the vowels out, obviously. Um, Drone, I know there's not an R, but it could be helpful. Well, yeah, but the D works, so. Okay, so we know where the D is going to go. We know the E. There's an N somewhere. Oh, well, we're down again. Well, we were just up. Okay, we're okay. We were, how much did we pop up for? 18 points? And then we just dump back down? What are we doing? Whatever. Okay. No R. N has to either, I feel like the N's in the middle. Dance. But there's no like, I know there's no A. I'm just trying to see. Okay. So we have N, E. Okay. Dunce. Oh, with a C. Oh. Well, no, there's no C. I'm thinking this has to be, bro, what could it, dance? Hell yeah. Bang. Fire. Who was that? Ryan, appreciate it. Ryan's the go right there. All right, connections. Okay. One battle after another. Bro, is that not a movie name? Is that not a movie name? What are we doing? Okay, we're back in profit, guys. Oh my God, we're ripping up. What just happened? Okay, this is why. Okay, I don't like being caught in chop. I feel like that we just got our entry and now we're just chopping. It's okay. We're just gonna tug it out. Whatever happens, happens. We took our entry, took everything that we could do. It's whatever. Thing fights. Fight. Okay. Contest match. Wild night clash. Okay, we're pumping. We are pumping, boys. We're about to hit break even here on this trade. Let's see if he could get to our break even part. Right now, we are up 34 points. If you want to take profits, you could take some profits. I'm not holding your hand here. Come on. I still didn't get my break even yet, but you know, we'll get there. We'll get there. Let me put my limit at break even so I know to come back whenever we're at break even. Okay, connections. Okay, wait, there has to be a battle. battle, match, wild, I don't know, contest. How many contracts? I'm in with 5 micros per account. Yeah, we're up 20 points on this position. I want to see if we can have a push up, man. I'm gonna have limit on this, so if ES is pushing out, we will know. Anytime you're in doubt, always look at the higher time frame. The higher time frame looks good, so we're chilling. Think fights, dude. Bro, okay, what are we doing? We were just up so much points, and now we're down. We were up about 45 points, and now we're back down. Well, we're up now. This, I don't know. I don't like this trade, y'all. This is bad. We'll see. Can't judge it. The trade will do it. You know what? There's one thing that we haven't done in a very long time. $28.5 scalp done for the day. Let's go. Hell yeah, let's go. I have to finish this connections first, and then I have a Just Dance. Yep. You guys know what I'm. Trust me, I get it. But we have to finish connections first. Ben, help me out here, bro. Think fights, battle, match, contest, clash. Bang. Okay. All right. After another one. Either. No. What could it be? What could could we be doing? Neither. Either. No. Arbitrary choice? What does that mean? What do you mean arbitrary? Did you catch a trade? Just got back. We're in some longs right now. We were up about 45 points. Almost went break even, but never got to our break even spot. So I'm still in this trade with full risk. But yeah, I don't know why we just pushed down like crazy after this pull, like push up. It doesn't make sense to me, but hey, that's the market, right? $15-minute gap holding us. Yeah. We keep on rejecting off of this 15. We got 6 minutes for this 15-minute to close. If we could close bullish on this 15-minute candle, it's a very high chance that, we get to break even our TP. Really high chance. Think what you would do, say when someone asks you to do something fun. Okay? I'm down. Willing to go. Oh, I'm getting notifications. Did anything happen? Okay. Guys. It just says Iran cuts direct diplomacy with US. What does that mean? Are we dumping? Oh, yep. That'll do it. That will do it. Okay. Iran has halted direct talks with the U.S. after Trump threatened to destroy its whole civilization through negotiations via ceasefire. Officials say the move signals defiance and complicates but does not end effort to reach a deal before Trump's 8 p.m. Tuesday deadlines. The White House has not commented. So there's gonna be another day where they said that before market open, so it should be priced in. No, I mean it just I just got this tweet at 10:37. I don't know. If Trump gets me out of this position one more time, I'm going to be really mad. Okay, whatever. We get stopped out. Worst case scenario, we're down $480. Not the end of the world. We'll be fine. And this is going down, and we are in longs. I mean, we just have to thug it out, man. You got to thug it out. We're down 7 points right now. We were up about 40 points, so I just don't know how, like, I don't know where this reaction came from, and then we just dumped from there. Like, it makes no sense. Like, where's the continuation? The delivery is bad. And we're stuck in this chop as well, bro. I'm trying to figure out what. No, we're just dumping still, guys. It's okay. We're fine. Wild game in one night after down low. Neither, no. I'm willing. I'm down. No. Okay. On the right track. If someone trades Asia session, does it count for the next trading day? So if you trade tonight, like 6 p.m. tonight, it'll count for Wednesday, yes. Willing down. Dude, this is hard. Okay, we're dumping, and we're dumping a lot. If you get back to break even and y'all want to leave this trade, you're my guest. Go for it. I don't blame you guys. This is not a trade that anybody would want to be in. Just doesn't make sense to me how we had this whole move up and then we just shot right back down. We're literally 20 points away from hitting TP. Trump cooked us again. Definitely just blew my alpha account. Are you still doing giveaways if you use your code? Yeah, but it's only on Tradeify that I'm partnered with Tradeify, so. It looks disgusting, guys. Everybody gets stopped out soon. It's okay. On a day like this, I'll much rather be down about 490 than about 650. It's all risk management here. Where's these pumps coming from, bro? This is a 27.1 minute candle. Where is this coming from? Like, what is happening? Why didn't you go break even at 32? I went off of this level right up here. Let me get rid of this. Hold on. I go off the wicks. So that's why. Wait. It's me, bro. And negotiating with the big Yahoo to see if you can get a pump real quick. Okay. Well, you're not doing a good job, Ben, because what is happening? You're not doing a good job, bro. You got to negotiate more. Keep on going. Come on. You got this. We're right with you. Keep going, Ben. You're doing great, bro. Keep negotiating. You got this. Come on. Get us to break even right here. Come on, come on, come on. Get us to break even on the trade. Come on. I'm dying in this trade here at Target, bro. I know this is not what we look for. Okay, now we're just pumping. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. What is happening? Okay. Come on. Can we get break even here? Come on. Keep on talking to yo, Ben. Come on. You got this. More, more, more. I don't get why we just pump up and we just come right back down. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. Come on. What we're testing people's emotions, literally. You know what I'm having to do for this twin? Bro, the fact that you're doing it for me and the community, bro, I appreciate you, bro. Just keep on talking. Come on. Keep on negotiating with the big Yahoo. All right, I'm going to just hold up the chat right here. Damn, I just get out, took TP of 150. Bro, I don't even blame you. This trade was horrible. Well, it still is. I'm still in, but 250. That's fire. Unfortunately, I'm still in. Like, bro, this was a 52-point candle. From where? I don't know. And then we just pump right back down. It makes no sense. I gotta get going soon, bro. I gotta go on another stream soon. This needs to hurry up. Good luck, boys. I don't call it this today. Trump is cooking this market. Yeah, I don't blame you, bro. Call it. After this trade is done, I'm done. I'm not even thinking about taking another trade. Nothing. Catch up tomorrow where I'm going to pass my account. Hell yeah. Captain goes down with the ship. Hey, he really does. I'm still in this. It's just nasty. So nasty. We're battling. Okay, we are battling, guys. I knew a couple of these trades that I was taking the back was too good to be true. The last two trades we were done in like 10 minutes. I knew it was too good to be true. So here we are battling. Help? What you need help with, Ben? I got you. What do you need? You want me to call somebody up, bro? You need the fishing rod? What you need, bro? This is so bad, bro. This is... Really got trapped in the worst price action forward today. Dude, I wish I knew how to play this piano right now. I'll be practicing. Crazy how it's moving smoothly before entering. Yeah. Back to work. This people on Target's looking at me weird. Were you still live? Yeah, I'm still stuck in a trade. I'm about to get stopped out though, so I'm about to get freed. I need a cucumber, a pair of scissors, some numbing cream. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. I hate being stuck in a trade. Like, we're seeing these pumps. This one right here. This one right here. For what? We get brought right back down. This is insane. Just stop me out, bro. Just take me out of my misery. Take me out of my misery, NQ. Go ahead. Just do it. And we just got stop filled. All right. Took a loss, down about 494 on the day. Couldn't be more thankful. I want to leave this trade as fast as possible. I'm going to do a trade recap on it. I'm going to be live at 12:30, so go on Tradeify TV. I'll be there. And then if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. But we are up on the week, so still chilling. It is what it is. We are up $144 on the week, so whatever. It just sucks we got caught in the shop. It happens. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Get off these charts.